What's up, guys? It's Khaled. It's my very first vlog. I'm gonna quickly get changed, okay? Good enough for me. Alright, guys, so let's get our day started. Over here we got my sister. My sister. My sister. Alright, guys, it is a beautiful day in Pennsylvania. When that's usually not how it works. It's usually always rainy or cloudy or about 50 degrees in the middle of July. So this is it. This is my BMW 535 Xi. I have the wheels plasti dip. 535 Xi blacked out badge. Everything basically done to it. I mean, it's more primarily stock and just like little mods for like looks and stuff, and just keep up with the maintenance. That's mostly what these cars are about. Alright, guys, so we're heading off to a cousin of mine, Mikey. He's been my closest friend, also my cousin. So we're gonna head there, and then after that we're gonna head over to Justin's, where we're gonna hang out for Labor Day, a Labor Day barbecue. So it should be fun. You guys can just tag along with me. Look at the camera.
Hi, I'm Mikey.
Somi stinks.
You stink. Yeah, you do. Bye.
Hold the camera, vlog, talk to them. No, Mikey, it's the Mikey.
What?
It's the other way.
This way?
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, look at, where am I going?
I don't know. Where are we going?
I don't know. Let's go back.
Okay.
This redhead. Like a straight clown. Just to look good, dude.
And watch how we put on do-rag.
Hey guys, right here we have a tutorial on how to put on a do-rag.
You make like this.
Like this a what?
Like this.
Okay. Then what do you make do?
You make like this.
Okay, and you make backward?
You make frontward, backward, everything word.
Okay, what? Where we got Justin? I really don't know how he has a girlfriend. Alright guys, it is time for a haircut.
Mikey the barber, $10 cuts.
Where are you, dude?
Right here.
Alright guys.
Think about it, you know.
Alright, it's $10 cuts here at Mikey the Barber. I'll have his Instagram in the description. If you guys need cuts in the Whitehall area, hit him up.
Whitehall, PA.
Whitehall, PA area, hit him up. Guys, haircut time before and after. Battery's about to die, so we gotta charge it up and we're gonna head out. Look at my baby. Joey! Joey!
Yo, he just oh my god, wait, let me look at my. Oh shit, I'm ugly.
No, you're not. Guys, this is my girlfriend. Look at me.
Wow, she's so pretty.
No, look at me. This is my girlfriend. Okay, mine only. Look good. Oh! Viewers! Viewers! Where's your viewers? Huh?
Subscribe to my channel, everyone.
She doesn't have a channel.
Subscribe to It's Your Boy Colleen. No, It's Your Boy Colleen.
And my snap.
Oh, type in your channel, my friend.
Alright guys, you see this right here?
Where is it at?
Little party, little hangout, all our friends together.
No, it's your boy Colleen.
Guys, it is really dark right now. We got everybody gathered up.
It's your boy.
Yeah, we're gonna head out to the parking lot. We're gonna set it all up.
Hell yeah, we
You're
Holly, let me be in this. King Trey, wait, just kidding.
my! We're gonna head down there now.
let me give you-
Oh, now there's light. Now there's light.
Put me in the vlog, bro. Put me in the vlog. It's Treyway, bro. Treyway.
It's Treyway. That might be chill.
Why do I feel like I'm at a concert right now? Alright guys, we're gonna head down to the parking lot now.
Our new popular friend right here.
And we'll catch
300 subscribers. Add my bro.
And we'll catch you at the parking lot.
Actually, the ones that actually
Look at
shoot
these
into the
fireworks,
sky.
guys. Check them out. Got my boy Mark on the camera.
Better give me a shout out.
Are any of these the ones that actually shoot into the sky?
Yes.
Oh, snap.
Back up, Mark.
I don't really want no friends. I didn't want a brother.
Yo, we want to do these three together? Yeah, we can see him right now.
Because you're not going to be the key at one time.
I like one of the cakes. Hey, one more of these. Cole, come here. Cole, come here. Cole, come here. Cole, come here now.
It's a Cole.
Technically, our ordinance still says no fireworks.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and unfortunately, I mean, you guys are doing kind of the right thing. The ordinance and the law states you got to be a certain feet from housing and stuff.
That's what we have it. That's
The
what
problem is that the parking lot's technically township property, so unless you had permission from the township to do it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
As much as you guys are doing the right thing, unfortunately, it's still wrong. So,
Okay.
so all I'm gonna say is just kind of clean up what you got left, and unfortunately, that's it for tonight. All right.
Later. Turn it off. Turn it off. Alright guys, it's present day, so basically what happened yesterday, I had to end the clip right after the cops came to shut down the fireworks. Moral story is we were blowing up fireworks. We were about, I would say, 100 feet away from like any type of housing. Particularly the house of my friend Justin's, we're 100 feet away. Other houses and other residents were 150 feet, which is the proper amount of space in between you blowing a firework and other people around you. Anyways, so I guess in the ordinance of where we were blowing up the fireworks, it was still like city property, so we had to shut it down, which kind of sucked. But at least I got a couple good clips of blowing off fireworks, and I hope you guys enjoyed my first vlog. There's gonna be a lot more, and can't wait for this really long journey ahead of us. Alright, I'll see you. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's Khaled, and I'll see you guys later.